Guard against greed. You cannot serve two masters, God and money. Matthew chapter 6 verse 24. Tell me what you think about money, and I will tell you what you think about God, for these two are closely related. A man's heart is closer to his wallet than anything else. It is a staggering fact that for the past few years people have spent 10 times as much for luxuries and non-essentials as they have for all charitable and religious purposes. This is a commentary on our shallow and superficial religious faith. While the Bible warns us against greed and selfishness, it does encourage frugality and thrift. Even Jesus said to his disciples after he fed the multitude, "Gather up the fragments that remain, that nothing be lost." Although our Lord had the power to create, he himself lived frugally and without luxury. John Wesley had a threefold philosophy about money. He said, "Make all you can, keep all you can, and give all you can." Most of us get all we can, spend all we can, borrow all we can, and give meagerly to God. Prayer for the day: Lord, give me a generous heart so that others may know your love and compassion.